Another Audi video. This time it's an Audi A6. So what we'll do on it, change the Honeycomb grille, that one there. This one's a little bit different because it's got like a split design on there. So it's one type of grille up there and a separate one on there. Optional extra you can get on these is the Quattro writing that goes in there. You can get them in different colors. So if your model is a Quattro, you can get that as well. Also, what we'll do, we'll fit black badges to go on the front grille. We'll change the back badges to gloss black ones. We'll change the TDI to gloss black, and we'll change A6 to gloss black as well. On a black car, quite stealthy. Hopefully it looks nice. So we'll show you how we do that. If you like to buy them parts, you can go on our website and you can buy all of them and fit them yourself if you like. So yeah, check back in a bit. So what we've done so far, we removed 6 or 7 Torx 25 bolts from the bottom of the bumper, 2 Torx 20 bolts from the top of the grille there, and inside the wheel arch we removed 4 Torx 25 for the actual wheel liner, 1 Torx 20 which held the bumper up in there, and a 10mm bolt that goes through there and it holds the bumper and the wing together. So that's how far we've got. Literally that's all the bolts you need to take out. Now the bumper is ready to be removed. You have to be careful when you're removing them because there's headlight washers and connections and stuff like that. You kind of just pull it off and it needs to be gently removed so you don't snap anything. So that's what we'll do now, and we'll check back in a bit. So that's the old grill off, the new one's back in. So this one's a little bit different than maybe if you've seen the A3 videos we've done before. Normally the grills clip out like towards the inside, where this one goes towards the outside. So this plastic trim stays on. So you don't have to take it off. There's a couple of Torx 20 bolts that you have to take out from there, and then the rest of it's just on clips. So basically like little push clips where you push it and pull it out. Yeah, that's that. The parking sensor position on this is slightly higher than it was on the original grill, so we had to cut out little bits of this foam so the parking sensors fit in. And yeah, that's about it. So we're about fitted back on the car, and that's it, almost done. So we'll check back in a bit. So that's it all done. That's the Audi A6 finished. That's the new grille. So let us know, what do you think? Did that look better, or does that look better now? Yeah, so if you like yours done, give us a message or pop to our website. You can buy all the grills, book yourself in on there, and see you in the next video.